quote just says, where do we get more distribution points? To find the people who are going to say yes to Coke. You got to be focused on the people that are going to say yes and stop worrying about the people that are saying no. Just go talk to more people. Some will say yes, some will say no, and here's what's going to happen. You're going to get better in the process. You're going to get better in the process. And the better you get through doing, the better results you're going to have. So it's time to pull the trigger, guys. It's 2026. No more waiting around. We're not going to let one more circle around the sun happen and you be exactly where you are. This is not that year. This is not that year. This is the year of breakthrough. This is the year of breakthrough. All right, everybody. Y'all have an amazing day. And I'll see you right back here next Monday. Bye.